as I would say the legislative part is we are not lagging behind. Over the years, we have been introducing laws, we have been improving, and law, as all of us know, that it's not a stagnant thing. We must make changes, amend laws in order to bring those laws in conformity with the need of the day. When 1997 Act was enacted, as per the guidelines and directions given in the Vienna Convention, it was almost the replica of the module draft which was also provided by the convention. We realized that there are certain things which need to be amended, and from time to time we have been amending. We have been very lucky that at many occasions our superior courts have also been guiding us in that regard. Justice Mansoor Shah is here. There have been issues regarding the quantum of sentence. Finally, the Supreme Court of Pakistan settled that issue, and they provided sentencing guidelines which were later on followed by the Parliament by introducing it as a bill there. Likewise, there was, I would say, there were different views regarding the applicability of the extremist punishment, which is the death penalty in the narcotics case. Since it was part of the statute, at the Ministry of Law and Justice, I would say that it is one of the few things which we could manage to do it, that in consultation with the Ministry of Narcotics Control and Ministry of Interior, the relevant stakeholders, and the other stakeholders, finally the Parliament amended the law and the death penalty part was abolished from the narcotics laws. That was, I would say, that was a right decision in the right direction. I know that it's a curse, it's a biggest challenge in this part of world, but at the same time we have to create some kind of balance in things. We also looked into our jurisprudence and we realized that in very few occasions this option was actually exercised by the courts in Pakistan. So with that change, I would say that we tried to protect as long as we can the rights of the people involved, that first of all, it's the responsibility of the state that no innocent shall be prosecuted. But even if somebody has committed a crime, the penalty must commensurate with the actions, the wrongdoings. Going further, there are different parts in the Anti-Narcotics Act 1997, which also talks about the rehab things. Yes, I would say that we have been lagging in that regard, but with the passage of time, we also tried to introduce certain policies, the rules. We also established a few centers, but still there is a lot work is to be done in that direction. So I would not take much time, but once again, I thank the management. I welcome our guest of honor from the different parts of the world, including my colleagues from the Malaysia. Love to meet you again, inshallah, in the coming days. And I reassure that Government of Pakistan, the concerned departments would all work in harmony. We will sit along with the other stakeholders, including the international agencies like UN and EU and our partner agencies, and we'll try to do good for people of Pakistan, which is our constitutional duty and mandate. Thank you so much.
वफाकी वज़ीर क़ानून आज़म